We'll guide you through how to make embed messages on Discord and make them aesthetic. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Start by opening your Discord and first create a channel where you want the embedded message to appear. So let's just create a channel by clicking on the plus icon on the text channel, and we can name it anything like general info. After that, just click on create channel and just click on edit channel. Go to the permissions tab and make sure to toggle on view channel and scroll down and toggle off send messages, and scroll down once again and find add reaction and just disable it like so, and scroll down and you will find an option labeled as read message history. Make sure to toggle it on and click on save changes. Once you have changed these settings, just go to the integration tab, and from here just click on create webhook, and as you can see, this is the webhook. Just click on it and you can give your webhook a name which is generally the server name. In my case, it's going to be GuideRealm. Select your channel, which in my case it's going to be general info channel, and just copy the webhook URL and click on save changes. And once the changes have been saved, just go to any browser to your liking. I'm using Google Chrome, and search for Discord and hit enter. Just go to the official website for Discord and you will land in this interface. Just click on clear all to clear all of the pre-existing text, and you can have a fresh start. Just paste your webhook URL in the webhook URL field, and after that you will see that our webhook is now active. And at the left hand side is your editor, and this is the place where you can start adding your text. You can preview it on the right hand side. So I would suggest just scrolling down and clicking to add an embed. Just click on the embed and go to the body. From here, you can start by adding your title. You can add title like welcome to our server, and you can just type double asterisk at the beginning and at the front of the text, and it will be bold. And you can add triple asterisk at the both end, it will be italic. I suggest leaving it at 2 asterisk on each side like so. And you can start by typing your description. Let's say we want to mention our welcome channel. We will just go to the Discord and just go to any text channel, let's say in general, and start by mentioning your channel, which in our case was welcome channel. So just type hash and search for your welcome channel, and just after selecting your welcome channel, just go in the front of the message and type / and hit enter, and you will see this ID. So basically just select this ID and press Ctrl+C to copy the ID, and go to your Discord and paste your channel ID here by pressing Ctrl+V, and you will see the channel will be successfully added. You can add emoji for the channel. To add an emoji, you can just press Windows key and period key on the keyboard, and your emoji will appear. You can even search for emoji. Let's say I want to add welcome. You can even search for emoji like celebrating, like so, and it will be visible on the right hand side also. And let me just type a small description for the welcome channel, like we are glad to have you here. And after that, let's say I want to add my rules channel. I'll just go to the Discord once again and type hash and search for rules. And after rules is added, I'll just go to the front of the message and type a / and hit enter, and just select the channel ID by pressing and paste Ctrl+C, and go back to Discord and paste it here, and add another emoji by pressing Windows and period key. And let's say I want to add this as the emoji, and you can add any text like make sure to read the server rules. And after adding that, you can even mention your roles. Just go to the Discord once again and start by searching for your roles. Let's say I want to add admin. So I'll just go in front of the message and type a / and hit enter, and this is the role ID. Just select it and press Ctrl C and go to Disco Hook, and you can just paste it here. Type the description for them like so. And you can even add your server emoji. Just go to your Discord once again and search for your server emoji. In my case, it's going to be GuideRealm. And just go to the front of the message and do the same like by adding the backward slash and hit enter. Just copy the ID and go to Disco Hook and paste it here, and you will see the server emoji will be successfully added. Let's also add a hyperlink. To add a hyperlink, start by typing big bracket and type the text that you want to add as an hyperlink, which in my case is going to be YouTube. So I'll just type my YouTube and close the big bracket and open the small bracket and just paste your YouTube URL. So I'll just go to YouTube and just click on address bar and select all of them and press Ctrl C to copy, and once in the Disco Hook, just press Ctrl V to paste and close the bracket, and you'll see it will be turned into a clickable link like so. And once that it is configured, you can just go to the colors tab and select the color to your liking by adjusting the slider, and you can view it at the preview panel also. So let's say I want to add this particular color. After adding, you can just click off to select it, and you can even add an image. Just click on the image drop down and go to Discord and send your image that you want to add. Let's say I want to add this particular image. I'll just select it and send it in the Discord message. And once that it has been sent, I'll just click on it and right click on it and click on copy link and go to Disco Hook and paste the image URL here like so, and you will see it has been successfully added. You can even add a thumbnail, and you can add another embed by just clicking on add embed. And once you have configured everything, you can just scroll up and just click on send. And after sending, just go to your Discord, and as you can see in the new general info, we have successfully got our embedded message. And that's how you make embedded message on Discord. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tech tutorials.